What's going on, guys? So we're over here at Bandamere.
Shut up, Hayden.
With Derek and the other Derek. We're gonna do some angry Derek. We're gonna do some testing on the truck, right?
Yeah.
So what did we do? Added a cage to it, or we?
I mean, that's really.
I didn't do shit. I just sat there and talked shit, but
You did. Yeah, it was helpful. Yeah, all we did was add the cage. We just and seat belts and shit like that. There's nothing performance related though. Everything in the motor is identical. We took a little bit of weight out of it to try to compensate for the cage.
a little bit of weight. What weight?
Just
all the dash stuff.
I mean, we're gonna still have heat and all that stuff, but I drove this thing in like 20-degree weather, and I was warm inside it without the heat. So we just took it out.
Yeah. So
that's it. I mean,
yeah.
We just kept getting kicked out of tracks, so we had to finally put in a cage that maybe they'd let us keep going.
Yeah.
And
it looks good.
A little unsafe.
Yeah, it looks good, and it definitely stiffened up the chassis, right? So hopefully you don't do the weird,
drove it around a little bit last
the
time.
weird little three-wheel wonder thing.
Yeah.
Or whatever it is. Three-wheel motion.
I just hope, like, it's stiff, but I hope that it's straight.
Yeah. Because you haven't tested it yet, have you? Haven't tested it yet.
That we do. I don't know if it's gonna go straight.
Yeah. But there's a lot of really fast cars out here. It's actually this really cool GTI over here that's twin engine, I guess.
Twin engine.
I guess.
And I think both motors are turbo. I think.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to go talk to the guy, but Derek said he's seen it run. I haven't seen this thing run ever, so maybe get some video of that thing.
The engineering that went into that thing is awesome.
Yeah. It looks badass. Yeah, but this thing's cooler though. It's just so clean. So sick.
I think I got the rear engine well enough to where I can launch it better.
Oh, sweet. So just having issues of it kind of like fighting itself on the launch or what?
No, not launch. It just breaks the CV joints, it breaks the axles, breaks the motor mounts, and it's breaking everything.
Damn.
I just keep fixing it. I play whack-a-mole with it.
Just keep seeing.
I got a 1.4 60 foot out of it last year, and then it broke. I tried for a 1.3 and it broke. So.
Damn.
Let's see this year.
What size tires does it have on it?
I put the small ones on, there's nose in the back.
Oh, okay. Small tires.
For later, if it'll hold the launch, you know.
Yeah, sweet. How big are the big tires?
12s.
Damn.
612s.
Holy shit. So this is a twin engine GTI. This setup is gnarly. Gotta put the race plates on or what?
Yeah.
Someone fucking lost their donuts. Jesus. So unfortunately, that is all the video I got at the track. It kind of sucked because some of the cars I wanted to see and film ended up breaking right away, and I didn't really get any good video of them. So it was really fun to go out though. I got really fucking burnt, as you can see. Should have brought some sunscreen or a hat or something, but give me some motivation to get the RX-7 done. Overall, it was a really fun day. Nice to hang out with Derek and see what's going on with his truck. His truck is actually the reason why I decided to LS swap the RX-7 instead of doing a Honda swap. So whenever I see his truck do some wheelies, it gives me some motivation to get my car done. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, adios.